Let's remove the glove compartment from the passenger side of the car, right? So we are gonna remove the air filter. So we remove the cap, so we just pull the two clips and slide, pull it up. Alright, so now we're gonna just remove the filter. So we're gonna get the dirty filter out and put in a new filter. Alright, so this is the dirty filter. So now we replace it with a new filter. So we'll just push it in back, and now we are gonna put on back the cap, cover back the filter. Alright, now that the cap is in place, we're going to put in the glove compartment back into the dashboard, and this is pretty easy, pretty easy.